guys, Matt from IronTrap Garage, doing a fun little video on taking the Pagoda City Coupe over to a museum. We're going to invade a museum and park this loud old hot rod in there, and they're going to do a little filming on it. So local TV network, TV show thing they do at the museum every month. They do a little video about different cars and interesting things in the Pennsylvania area, which they specialize in, of classic cars. And we did a video earlier this summer at a show on the meat truck, and they showed interest in doing something on the Coupe, and we put something together. The weather's nice, so we're gonna hop in the Coupe, take a drive across town to the Boyertown Auto Museum, and put the little GoPro up to see if you guys can get a ride along with us, and see what happens. So let's get moving.
Show, but this is parked right next to it. I remember seeing the Allstate heads, and I got all excited. I said, "Is that Allstate? What, I was in Sears?" He said, "Yeah." And so that's what started my whole investigation with this. This is neat. Yeah. So where do you find Allstate heads? I mean, how did you acquire them?
So, like anybody builds an older car, I guess you got stories about everything. But the heads, actually, I was helping. There's a local guy that I'm helping with his original 32 Roadsters, named Eric. That he built in the 50s and he's rebuilding. And I became friends with him. The first time I came over to his house was to buy parts, and I was digging through his old trailer in the back of parts, trying to buy 32 parts and flathead parts. And he's not a flathead guy. He's old for me. Hates flathead. Doesn't hate them, but never was into it. And I'm digging on the shelf, and I said, "I thought you didn't have any flathead speed stuff." I pull them down. And "Oh yeah, I think a buddy bolted them on and didn't like them and gave them to me. I couldn't bear it for all of that." So I bought a whole load of stuff, but to this day I thank him every time I see him, because I told him, I said, "These are really hard to find." I don't know. It's like he said they didn't work for him, but they had like no miles on them. I knew they were perfect for the car because they were so odd, and that was the first time I'd ever held a set in my hand. Same as you, I've read articles here and there and heard whispers, but since then it's everywhere I go, it shows people are freaking out about their heads because you never see them. You won't see these in the Speedway catalog.
No, you won't.
So that's, but yeah, I just built it just like it would have been back in the day. Kind of a, nowadays we call it an East Coast style car. A lot of East Coast cars, they would channel them real hard and lower them a lot, but they wouldn't chop them. So
Okay.
it's kind of unusual. Most of the cars, hot rods you see, they're chopped real hard and they're channeled. And this was like an early East Coast style. So if you look at a lot of the early shows in the 50s, Philadelphia, New York, Connecticut, Massachusetts, you would see a lot of cars like this that were channeled and lowered real hard, but they weren't chopped.
Okay, and by channel, you're talking about just dropping the whole body
Yep.
over the chest?
Yeah, and that's actually a lot more difficult to do than channeling it, or than chopping it, because you have to reconfigure everything in the bottom of the car. So
Right.
pedals and steering, everything changes, and a lot of people don't realize it's actually a lot more work to channel a car and make it drivable than just chopping the roof down. So, and it gives you a little bit of headroom so you can actually drive it and see out the windshield and not crunched up inside quite as much. So.